This video will explain how to create a new page or post in WordPress. Please see the other video in our series that explains the difference between a page and a post. In order to create a new page or post, there are two different locations you can do that. One is that you can hover over the top plus sign and click plus new, and you'll click post. Another is that you can go over here to posts and click add new, or pages and click add new. So I'm going to go up to this plus sign and click add new post. And here's the interface that you'll see for creating a new post. And this looks just the same for when you're creating a new page. As you look at this interface, a key thing to remember is that your content goes here in the big box, and you'll type away the information that you want to add. And this is the information that you're going to have showing on your blog posts or your pages. And ultimately, if you want to see what that looks like, because it looks very different than in your dashboard, you can save it as a draft, and it gives you then the opportunity to preview that. So in addition to typing content, you may want to bold writing, or you may want to use italics. And an important thing to note is that if for some reason you don't see this bottom bar in your dashboard, you'll want to click on this. This is the Toolbar Toggle. You'll see that adds a lot of additional functionality, including underline, paragraphs, text color, etc. If you want to add a picture or some sort of media, that could be a video that you've uploaded to your site, which is different than adding a video from YouTube, because if it was from YouTube, you could just add the embed code. But you'll just click here to add media, and it's going to give you access to all of the media that you've already uploaded to your site at one point or another. But an alternative way to add more media is to click on Upload Files. Select the file that you'd like to upload. I'll upload a picture of myself. And then you can see on the right hand side, once the image is uploaded, that you can change various elements of the image logistics. So here under alt text, you'll want to always add some alt text so a screen reader would know what your picture represents. If you want, you can add a caption, and that is a description that your readers will actually be able to see that's underneath your images. You can also change some of the parameters of your display settings. So if I wanted this picture to be a different size, I could select a different size. For now, I'll leave it as medium, and I'll insert it into the post. And now I realize that maybe that picture is a little bigger than I wanted, so I click on it, click Edit, and then I can make it a thumbnail, which makes it a little bit smaller anyway in this case. So that's how you add media and text into your posts. It's relatively simple. Always want to give your posts a title. And on the right hand side, you'll see there's a few different options for publishing. You can check out the video specifically designated for discussing the different options. But I will briefly mention that one of the options is that you can password protect your page if you do not want it to be viewable to the public. And you would just click here on password protected page, and you would give it a password. And you just have to make sure that if you want anybody else to view this page, that's the password that they would see. And when you're all done, you will click Publish. And then you'll preview the changes. And you can see there that that's the post that I just created.